Have you ever dreamt of a summer that's part serious learning and part, well, just an incredible adventure? If so, you're in the right place. We're about to break down this amazing opportunity at one of Canada's top universities, the University of Alberta.
And you know, they're not kidding when they say unforgettable. This isn't just about sitting in some lecture hall. It's a totally immersive experience designed to take you way beyond a typical summer course. So what's the secret sauce here?
Okay, so let's get right to the good stuff. Imagine this. You're taking a trip to the world-famous Rocky Mountains. You're actually living on campus, getting that full university experience. And you're getting your hands dirty with real, project-based work. The best part? You're doing it all with students from literally all over the globe. Now that is a powerful mix.
What's really cool about this whole thing is that before you even pick your specific academic focus, there's this foundational Canadian adventure that every single student gets to experience. Let's dive into what that looks like.
All right, so the foundation for your 3 weeks is pretty solid. We're talking a full weekend trip to the mountains in Banff, that's included. You'll be visiting key landmarks in the city of Edmonton, living in your own apartment-style dorm on the beautiful North Campus, and your weekday lunches are covered. This all happens right alongside your main workshops and team projects.
So with that incredible foundation already set, this is where you get to personalize your journey. You actually have to choose a mission, a specific track that really lines up with your passions and your goals.
And I love how they frame this choice. It really boils down to this one simple question. Are you a diplomat, someone who wants to tackle global crises and international relations? Or are you an innovator, someone who wants to build creative solutions for community problems?
So let's see how this breaks down. On one side, you've got the Immersive Global Simulation Lab, or IGSL for short. That's for anyone interested in global affairs. And on the other, there's the Global Youth Changemaker Lab, or GYCL, for all the social innovators out there. Two very different, but equally exciting paths.
Let's take a closer look at the IGSL. This one is really for the future diplomat. You literally step into a role. You could be representing a whole country, an NGO, or even the media, and your job is to navigate a super complex, unfolding international crisis over several days. It's intense, hands-on diplomacy.
So here's how they structure it, which is crucial. First, you learn the theory, things like crisis communication, negotiation, and that big picture systems thinking. Then you put all of that into practice in that massive, multi-day simulation. And the whole time, you're grounding it all by exploring Canada's real-world role in global affairs.
Now, what if you're the innovator? Well, the GYCL's your track. This is a social innovation lab. You're not just talking about problems. You're actually using a process called design thinking and getting hands-on in makerspaces to build and prototype solutions to real-world community issues.
And you'll see a similar three-step flow here. First, you investigate local challenges and you connect them to the UN's Sustainable Development Goals. Then, you master the tools of creativity and prototyping. And finally, you build out your project and get to show it off at an innovation fair. How cool is that?
Okay, so you're probably leaning one way or the other by now, right? Diplomat, innovator. So let's get into the practical stuff, the nitty-gritty details you'll need to actually plan your trip.
The all-inclusive program fee is 4,800 Canadian dollars. Now, what does that actually get you? Let's take a look.
So, what does that fee cover? Well, it handles a lot of the big stuff. Your accommodation for 20 nights, all the program activities and materials, your weekday lunches, and of course, that incredible weekend trip to Banff. Now, what's not included? You'll need to cover your own flights, any visa costs, your health insurance, personal spending money, and most of your dinners and weekend meals.
And here are the final key logistics. You'll notice the dates are different. The Diplomat program, the IGSL, is in July, while the Innovator program, the GYCL, is in August. There's also a slight difference in the English requirement. The IGSL asks for a slightly higher score, which makes sense because of all the intense negotiation and communication you'll be doing in that crisis simulation.
So when you put it all together, you can see this is way more than just a summer program. It's really positioned as the start of a whole new chapter for you, both academically and personally.
The whole point is to come away from this with real, tangible new skills, a much bigger global network, and a huge boost in confidence from having tackled these complex challenges. And you get to do it all while living and breathing the culture of a major Canadian university.
So it all comes down to this. What kind of impact do you want to make this summer? Are you going to be at the negotiating table shaping global policy, or will you be on the ground redesigning a community from the bottom up? The choice is yours, and honestly, either way, it sounds like a summer that could change everything.